gain control, not alcohol. What really happens when you stop drinking alcohol for 30 days? Day 1. Your body begins to reset. Within hours, your liver starts repairing itself. Your brain chemistry begins stabilizing. Sleep improves. Deeper. More restorative. Your skin looks clearer. More hydrated. Energy levels begin to rise. Inflammation starts decreasing. Your digestion becomes more stable. Unwanted calories disappear. Weight may drop. Week 2, the real change begins. Your dopamine system recalibrates. Mental clarity improves dramatically. Blood pressure may begin to normalize. Your immune system gets stronger. By week 3, your body feels different. Fat burning improves. Physical performance increases. You gain control, not alcohol. Liver fat decreases. Healing continues. Day 30. You feel clearer, stronger, sharper, and you realize alcohol was never helping you. 30 days, a new body, a new mind, a new mind. Imagine what 90 days could do.